Alright, we got a brawl. Oh no, they're now. Out of here. Hey, don't drink gin and tonic. She just stole my gin and tonic. She stole my gin and tonic. Come fight me. Grab my Berkey. Grab my Berkey. Fuck out of here. Don't grab my Grab my purse. Grab my girl.
First of all, if you ever see me sitting on the back of the plane, which I wasn't even in the back, I was still in Delta Comfort. But if you ever saw that, that's because there was absolutely no flights to get home. Not one. Not no first class, no nothing. So we better go check these flights. If anybody that knows what's up, know that there's no way to get back home, back to New York. I already posted that earlier. There was no flights. So yes, I was sitting in Delta Comfort. Yes, okay. And so what? All right, yeah, I said my birthday and I was in Delta Comfort. Y'all mad? Like, what are you talking about? Please.